also will be in our favor. So whenever implied volatility is increasing, Vega also increase, and that will help us to get profit. Now, in this strategy, don't worry about time decay. As we are working with intraday, time decay is applicable whenever you are holding your position for the next day. Intraday time decay is very less, even it is there. Whenever Vega is in our favor, no need to worry about time decay. So we are taking advantage of volatility as well as we are looking at theta risk as well. So here, this strategy will give profit whenever market is high volatile. Next, let's understand sell option algo strategy. So this will deploy whenever market is less volatile or whenever market volatility is falling. So look at this. As per current volatility, strategy is not giving profit, not giving loss. Now let's understand what will happen if volatility is decreasing. As implied volatility started decreasing, probability of profit increasing. So these are the advantage of this strategy. Here, our entire focus is mathematics. We are not depending on market condition. Remember one thing, market condition is not same every day. Sometimes you will get less volatile market. Sometimes you will get high volatile market. So we have to work as per market condition. So this strategy will give profit whenever market is less volatile. So for this strategy, capital requirement is approx 1.5 lakh. And this will deploy whenever market is less volatile. So Vega decrease, so Vega will be in our favor, and as well as theta or time decay also will be in our favor because here we are option seller. So now let's understand market condition. So look at this. This is implied volatility chart. So here I have implied volatility as well as I have option premium. So let's understand implied volatility concept and option premium concept. So blue color line indicates implied volatility. Orange or yellow color line indicates option premium. So look at this point A. As implied volatility started increasing, option premium also started increasing. So this is pure mathematics. And from point B, as implied volatility started falling, option premium also started falling. So here our entire focus is maths. We are not looking at market condition. Market is bullish, market is bearish, or market is sideways. No need to worry all about that. So in our system, I have designed strategy. Whenever market implied volatility increasing, in that case, strategy will deploy buy algo strategy or buy option algo strategy. Whenever implied volatility started falling, in that case, your sell algo strategy will deploy. So this is how we have designed this strategy. And it is totally depend only on mathematics. So now we have two index. One is Bank Nifty, one is Nifty. So Bank Nifty is high volatile, Nifty is less volatile. Bank Nifty daily volatility is approx 1.62%. and Nifty daily volatility is 1.24%. Let's check that with help of NSE India as well. So this is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty daily volatility is 1.51 and Nifty daily volatility 1.17. So this is available on NSE India. You can check on NSE India as well. So now we have to be smart trader in the market. So now we are looking at market condition. So here we know that Bank Nifty is high volatile and Nifty is less volatile. So what we will do, we will plan buy option strategy in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is already high volatile, and we will plan sell option strategy in Nifty. So this is hit ratio that our team will explain. Okay. So do you guys know that 60 to 70% times market remain less volatile and 30 to 40% times market remain high volatile. So this telling us that selling option strategy is always better than buying option strategy because 70 to 60% market is less volatile. Second thing, probability of profit is very good in sell option strategy. And third, market remains most of time sideways or less volatile. That's why sell option strategy is always better than buy option strategy. However, you can choose both as well. So I will request all of you, please work with both algo strategy. So if market is high volatile, you will get advantage of volatility. If market is less volatile, again you will get advantage of less volatility. If you working with both strategy, then your drawdown also will be less because we are hedging our drawdown as well. Because here in this strategy, drawdown is high and here drawdown is less. So in short, we are hedging our drawdown as well. So be smart in the market. Don't trade with one strategy. Trade with both strategy. Then only you will able to get consistent profit from this strategy. So that's about my strategy.